Welcome to EriStaruk Media. I'm Out Malake, reporting for EriStaruk.com, voice of Eritrea's forefront. Dawit Ghebreyesus, a London-based independent filmmaker, cameraman and a producer, yet astonishes us by bringing a new documentary. He recently, in 2018, brought us The Costly Gift, a look into the story of a young Eritrean boy's dream to become an international footballer. The Costly Gift. This time round, it is a look into the Bishop mining operation. A Canadian mining company, Natural Resources, with a joint venture with Inamco, the Eritrean government, operates the Bishop mines. Dawit Ghebreyesus puts the human factor into it. We don't want to spoil the plot. We had rather let you watch the full story. For this reason, we will skip everything. We were so pleased with the outcome that we decided to share with you. In 2018, screening at the Saho screening rooms, Eritrea Mining 2.0 was presented to few invited guests, and we were the lucky ones. And here is a documentary about a documentary, and one of the most enticingly enlightening episodes to ever come out within the Eritrea diaspora. Present at the screening was none other than the VP, CSR, and Government Relations of Natural Resources, Mr. Todd Domney. Within the Eritrean diaspora circle, one of the most frankest talk to ever come out. Have a look and enjoy a documentary about a documentary screening of the Eritrea Mining 2.0, produced, directed, and written by none other than the producer of The Costly Gift, Dawit Ghebreyesus. What does Dawit Ghebreyesus have in store for us next? Well, the question is in the video that you will be watching, and it is a story that's very close to the heart of the people of Eritrea. A must watch. Furthermore, please do not forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook, EriStaruk.com, and most importantly on our YouTube site by subscribing and hitting the bell button for updates. I'm Out Malake, reporting for EriStaruk.com, voice of Eritrea's forefront. Goodbye.
Copy, plus control. Receive plus control. Plus control, survey team clear of the plus user. Thank you, survey team. Mechanics are clear, man. Okay, thank you. Plus, in 10 seconds over. Fire.